Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be riding the train on the Dol Plantation. Let's see what it'll be like. Alright, well, see you in a bit. Okay, wow, this is taking a long time. I'll have to check with you guys in a bit. Just a bit longer. It's about time.
Hello everyone.
Alright, looks like we're finally gonna be getting on the last ride of the train. Finally on the train. I wonder what this will be like. Sorry for the bird. Yeah, we're finally on the train, so I wonder what this will be like. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Oh, we're finally going. My ears. Banana trees, cool.
Basically, all the plants here I've seen at school.
Oh, what's that? That looks cool. That's cool.
Like a rainbow.
Whoa, what's this? That's cool.
No flowers.
Aloha, and welcome aboard the Pineapple Express train tour. This 2-mile, 22-minute train ride will take you through a working plantation of pineapple and other crops, often featuring fields in all stages of growth, from planting to harvest.
Wow, that's so many pineapples.
All right,
So many
Plantation
pineapples.
Garden Tour, where guests can take a leisurely stroll through 8 different mini gardens and get an up-close view of a variety of plants, flowers, and native species while listening to stories about local plantation and Hawaiian heritage. Just a few announcements as we head out into the plantation. For your safety and those around you, please stay seated. Keep your head, arms, legs, and any devices, including selfie sticks, inside the train at all times. Please refrain from
So many pineapples.
If you should accidentally drop something outside the train, there are numbered markers along the train path. Just tell us the marker number where you dropped your item, and we'll be able to retrieve it for you upon our return. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Wow, they have lots of stuff.
Well, you know, it's kind of
Begin our journey with a little
the one that you
on this
eat,
special
like,
place called
Yeah.
there, see?
Before the Hawaiian Islands were united by King Kamehameha I, Waialae was where Hawaiian chiefs and their armies
Bananas! Bananas!
Waialae was also the birthplace of royal family members. Roughly translated, the name Waialae means place of rumbling. It was believed the rumbling sound of thunderstorms common in this area were the
That's a whole ton of banana trees.
an offspring of divine land.
Looks like we have more bromeliads.
Waialae is home to people of all backgrounds.
Oh, there's a
Spare some
rainbow.
time. Visit one of the many shops and restaurants in Waialae town. And
I can see a rainbow, but I can tell if you guys can see it. I don't think you guys can see it.
Off to our left are pineapple fields in various stages, ranging from plant preparation to harvest. Here, pineapple is grown year-round.
That's a lot of
However,
pineapples.
depending on the time of the year, the fields you see may be fallow or undergoing planting or harvesting. To prepare the field for planting, the ground is
More
plowed and mixed with
bananas.
fertilizer, resulting in a farming, nutrient-rich soil. Next, strips of thin plastic mulch are laid in the field. The plastic mulch helps confine the fugate to retain moisture.
Bananas
Heat the soil to stimulate root growth.
Bananas.
After the field is prepared, the planting process begins.
You're gonna feel it. The rainbow. Look at it.
Pineapple
Rainbow.
now is the preferred planting
Hi.
material used in wine. Each crown is planted
Yeah, I don't
by
think you
hand.
guys can see the
Planters
rainbow.
use sharp planting knives.
Oh, we got coconut trees.
They then place
I don't
the
think you guys
bottom
can see that. It's coconut tree.
A skilled planter can
Coconut
plant roughly
tree.
10,000 pineapples a day, or nearly half an acre. To irrigate the fields, a tube is placed between the rows of pineapple. When water is needed, it is dripped from the tubes directly onto the root. Harvesting, like planting, is also done by hand. The first crop, called the plant crop, takes 18 months from planting to
How
harvest.
do they make so many pineapples?
The tube crop takes
What?
another 12 months, resulting in a
So
2.5
imagine they do
cycle.
this like all the time.
After the last crop is harvested, the
Ooh, we got some bamboo over here.
pineapple plants plowed under. The land then lays fallow for almost a year for the snack.
Bamboo. And more bananas.
A crew of workers will walk through the rows of pineapple, twisting off the fruit, placing it on a food conveyor, which gently rolls the fruit to a bin on the wing truck. Even in the hot summer months, workers must wear heavy clothing, gloves, and mesh goggles to protect themselves from the sharp prickly leaves of the pineapple plant. Once the truck is full, the pineapple is transported to the Dol Plantation plant, located right across the street from the Dol Plantation parking lot. Before entering the packing plant, the pineapples are placed in a water dump system designed to clean and separate the pineapple, so only the best quality fruit makes its way to the packing plant.
Yeah, the left uses more pineapples and
Workers hand
stuff.
select the fruit
Not
based on
much.
size and shell color.
So yeah, the left is mostly just pineapples for now.
Roughly half of the Dol pineapple grown in Hawaii is sent to various stores and restaurants throughout the Hawaiian Islands. The other half is shipped primarily to the west coast of the United States, with some pineapple even making its way to Japan. So, how can you tell if a fresh pineapple is sold at a store in your hometown is a Dol pineapple grown in Hawaii? Just look for the tag. If it says Dol Hawaiian pineapple on the tag, you got yourself a genuine Dol pineapple grown right from the island. Here's a bit of history on pineapple. The Hawaiian word pineapple is halapiki, which means foreign fruit. It is believed that pineapple first originated in Paraguay or Brazil. Carried aboard 15th and 16th century trade ships, pineapple was soon grown as far away as Mexico, Australia, China, and India. Christopher Columbus brought pineapples back on his travels in the New World, and it quickly became a
Yeah,
gourmet
we got a nice little lake here. That's
No
cool.
one knows exactly how or when pineapples first arrived here in Hawaii. Historians believe that a Spanish ship left in 1527 off the South
We
Dakota
got
coast
more pineapples.
garments and plants, including pineapples from Mexico to Hawaii. Captain John Kidwell is credited with founding Hawaii